Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a React application with Vite. So open up VS Code and then go to File and then open folder. So this is to open a folder in VS Code. So I'll be saving this app in a folder called Projects, which is on my desktop, and then select folder. So we are now in the Projects folder in VS Code. And then go to your terminal in VS Code. So click on these dots over here, terminal, new terminal. The alternative is to use the shortcut shown over here, Control plus Shift plus this accent key, which is the button above your tab key on your keyboard. So if we use the shortcut, you'll see our terminal opens over there. Let's just zoom in a bit. So we see that we are located within the projects folder in VS Code. And then we're going to run the following command: npm create vite at latest, followed by the name of your application. So let's just call it project X, since I can't think of a better name. And then space, and then dash dash, or uh, minus minus, whatever you want to call it. And then again followed by template react, and then you hit the enter key on your keyboard, and then you'll see the application will Vite will start building the application. And then it asks you okay to proceed, type Y and hit enter, and then it will build the application. So that it says the name, you can just press tab to keep that name, followed by enter. And then the framework, so you're going to use your keyboard to go down, select React. And then the variant, we're going to select JavaScript, since we will be using JavaScript. And there it tells us that the application has been created. So now our application creates or exists in this folder called Project X, which means we need to change directories using the cd command to go into the directory called Project X, and then we hit enter. So we'll see that our location has now changed. Let's just zoom in a bit more. So we are now in the Project X directory, and then to run our application, we firstly install the node modules. If you don't know what node modules are, I'll cover that in the next video. So then we use npm install, press enter. You'll see the node modules will begin installing, and depending on your network connection or how slow or fast your device is, this could take some time, but usually it just takes a few minutes. Okay, so the node modules have installed, and now we can actually start our React plus Vite application. And to do that, we can run the command npm run dev, and then hit enter, and then we'll see this comes up. So the local development server has been started at this port, so we can use the control button and our mouse to click on this link, and then our Vite application should open up in the browser. So there you have it, you've created a React application with Vite.